Am I going to go blind? Are there any warning signs? These are the questions that you guys come up to me with. Hi, Dr. Sandhya here from Shekhar Eye Hospital, here to tell you what are the main 3 warning signals that you should come to us. The first and the foremost sign that you should look for in the eye is sudden blurring of vision or sudden distorted vision. This could be an ominous sign. Why? Because it could be something like an underlying retinal detachment, a macular edema, a diabetic retinopathy. So these are very serious conditions in the eye, or an angle closure glaucoma, or what we call as a uveitis or an inflammation of the eye. The second ominous sign in the eye, the danger signal in the eye, is sudden onset of what we call as floaters and flashes. What are floaters? These are thin lines, cobweb-like lines, dots that you can see scattered all around your vision. Now, what is this indicative of? This is suddenly indicative of, again, a retinal detachment, a bleeding that can happen suddenly inside the eye, or what we call as a posterior vitreous detachment or a uveitis, which needs emergency attention, especially when it's associated with something that we call as flashes. Flashes are nothing but seeing flashes of light inside the eye, as though someone is directing a torch inside your eye and moving it. So this is probably what we call as the torn retina being pulled inside, and therefore you get these flashes. You have a combination of these, or you have sudden increase in the number of floaters. That's something that's very ominous and you need to come to us. The third and the most commonly seen eye symptom is that of the red eye, where the blood vessels in the eye become very red short. It could be associated with some amount of discharge, matting of lashes. This is a simple thing. It could be as simple as a conjunctivitis. But hey, be very, very careful. It could be something like glaucoma, which is vision threatening to you. It could be a uveitis. It could happen suddenly after trauma. For example, you've had an injury in the eye and there's some redness in the eye that comes up. Or it could be a corneal infection. So keep yourself aware of these signs. Additionally, if you have these intense headaches where your temples are really paining, it could be a migraine, it could be glaucoma. So all of these, or night blindness. Some people come and tell us, I just can't see in the night, doctor. It could be something like a cataract, or we could be missing out something like a retinitis pigmentosa, which is a condition which keeps getting worse and worse as days go by. So see your ophthalmologist regularly. We are here to treat you at Shekhar Eye Hospital. Come to us and we shall treat you. Thank you.